Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm really excited to talk about the Audi Q3. This luxury compact SUV is built for every season and every journey. Whether it's rain, sunshine, or even a storm, the Q3 gives you confidence with its quattro all-wheel drive and smooth suspension. It handles city roads with ease and feels stable on highways, making it perfect for long travels. The design is stylish and bold, while the interior is premium, with comfortable leather seats, digital displays, and ambient lighting that make every drive special. Technology like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and the available Bang & Olufsen sound system keeps you connected and entertained. From daily commutes to long-distance adventures, the Audi Q3 is practical, reliable, and fun to drive. It's not just a car, it's a luxury experience for every weather today. We're diving deep into one of the most exciting luxury compact SUVs of the future, the all-new 2026 Audi Q3. Audi has completely reimagined the Q3 for its third generation, giving it a fresh design, modern technology, and a wide range of engine options to suit every type of driver. Whether you're someone who loves efficiency, sporty performance, or just the luxury feel of an Audi, this SUV has something for you. In this video, I'll be taking you through every detail of the 2026 Audi Q3, from its engines, design, and color choices, to its comfort. Technology-packed, the Audi Q3 is a premium compact SUV that blends luxury, performance, and practicality. From the front, it makes a bold statement with Audi's signature grille and sharp LED headlights, while the rear features sleek LED taillights and sporty dual exhausts. Inside, the cabin is refined with leather seating, a digital cockpit, and customizable ambient lighting. The rear seats fold flat, expanding cargo space for family trips. Technology includes Audi's virtual cockpit, an MMI touch display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus an available Bang & Olufsen premium sound system. Power comes from a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine producing 228 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic and standard quattro all-wheel drive, ensuring stability in every condition. Safety is equally impressive, with adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, multiple airbags, and parking sensors. On highways, the Q3 feels smooth and confident, while the panoramic sunroof adds open-air luxury. Stylish, versatile, and fun to drive, the Audi Q3 is one of the best compact luxury SUVs in the market today. From the front, the Q3 looks aggressive and refined, with a bold hexagonal grille featuring the iconic Four Rings logo. The sharp LED headlights add a sporty and premium character. At the back, sleek LED tail lamps stand out, especially during night drives, while dual exhaust outlets give it a sporty edge. The metallic gray finish as seen here is one of the most elegant and in-demand colors, professional, modern, and timeless, despite being compact. The Q3 commands the road with a bold SUV stance that reflects Audi's strong brand identity. Step inside and you're welcomed by high-quality leather seats, a digital cockpit, and premium finishes throughout. The front seats are electrically adjustable and offer excellent support, especially for long journeys. Ambient interior lighting creates a luxurious feel at night, and LED reading lights are available for both front and rear passengers. The back seats are spacious and foldable, expanding the cargo area with ease, making it practical for trips. The rear view mirror comes with an auto-dimming feature, while the side mirrors are electrically foldable, heated, and include integrated turn. The Audi virtual cockpit displays navigation, speed, and media in crisp Full HD. The MMI touch display supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity. For audiophiles, the available Bang & Olufsen premium sound system delivers crystal clear. Globally, the Q3 is offered with both petrol and diesel engines, and in some markets, even hybrid options. In the USA, the highlight is the turbocharged 2.0-liter TFSI engine, paired with a 7-speed S-tronic automatic transmission. Audi's legendary quattro all-wheel drive system ensures stability on all surfaces, while precise, lightweight steering makes it just as enjoyable in the city as it is on the highway. Standard and available features include adaptive cruise control lane departure warning, a rear view camera, multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, and front and rear parking sensor. Outdoor driving experience on highways. The Audi Q3 delivers a confident, stable ride, with smooth suspension and responsive handling. Off-road, the Quattro system keeps the SUV balanced and secure, And for open-air driving pleasure, the panoramic sunroof adds a true luxury feel. The Audi Q3 is a stylish and versatile, luxury compact SUV with its striking design, premium interior, advanced technology, and strong performance. It's the perfect choice for families or individuals who want comfort and class in a manageable size. If you're looking for a luxury SUV that combines practicality with Audi's signature style, the Q3 is one of the best options in its segment.